Welcome back to the BArnzy channel. Real Talk Reviews. This time we have the Bowl Expo introductions, the Ember and the Cove. Both of them have the same core, 249044, so medium all the way around at 15 pounds. This is a hybrid. They're calling it RB85 hybrid. And then this is RB82 Pearl. So I just got to see them at Bowl Expo. The Ember had quite a bit of looks. The Cove is smoother, and well, let's just throw some shots. We are here at AMF Louisville, and we are following Senior League, and then another hour and a half of practice. So they're a little beat up, but really that's kind of where these balls should fit in. I'll throw some shots, and so we'll get an idea what's out there. There's plenty of hook on the gutter, and there is a lot of oil down lane, but so one thing you'll notice about this ball right off the bat, I mean, the color, you either love it or you hate it, not much in between. It does come 4,000 finish, full disclosure. I threw it that way, didn't love it, so it's now got power edge on it. This ball is, well, I think there's only one way to categorize it. It's smooth. You can see there when it gets in on that carry down, it'll say, you can keep it in front of you pretty good. My first look at it was, I mean, this is a 5, I believe it's 5 by 3 by 2.5. So pin right above my bridge. And, well, yeah, that's what it is. It's smooth. So, gutter hooks quite a bit when you get it to it. It does not hook a lot when you get it in. That right there, it'll keep going all the way by it. But when you compare it to the Ember, now Pearl got a little more kick all the way around. If I throw those same shots out to the right, bounces off of them way harder. So way more responsive, the Ember is. The Cove, I mean, here, attention, straight players, people want to keep their lines in front of them, don't want to move way left. This Cove may be the hole for you. Ember is probably more traditional. Ball you can move left with, a ball you can go around them with, and yeah. You can see even in the puddle there, it wasn't going to hit the right side of the 9-pin, but I'll go back and forth a little bit. Now I stand far enough left, I can get this one to pick up early, but it's early and a little bit more smoother in general. If I get it to that bumper, it'll blend off of it. I don't have to work real hard. I don't have to do anything fancy to make it stop from over bouncing, for sure. So, Ember, we'll throw it from the same spot. Hooks a little bit more. I moved like 2 left with my feet, but then didn't get it quite as far to it, and then obviously it came through and it went through the 8-pin. So way sharper there. I think where this Cove really stands out though is its ability to stand up against the friction a little bit and not have to move so far left. Like I said, if you're a player that wants to keep your lines in front of you, you don't want to have to chase left a whole bunch. It's going to blend out the lane. The trick is going to be getting the 10-pin out. This ball is going to let you stay closer to the friction. That is for sure what it's designed to do. We try and do the same thing with the Ember. Just a little right, but it doesn't want to stay there nearly as much. So, again, Ember is going to be the one that wants to hook down lane. The Cove is going to be the one that wants to be a little straighter. You can throw this one slow enough to hook it. So some of these two-handers that really struggle with too much ball shape, too sharp, gets a little too uncontrollable on the wet dry, that's where this ball is going to come into play. It's not going to be the one you're going to use to create shape down lane or to really create a lot more back end. That's where this one's going to come into play. Way sharper off the spot. Again, 249, so pretty low RG, 044, medium diff in today's world, where you can go up to 060. The low ones are around 030. Right in the midpoint, we got hybrid here, and you know, I guess this is, I don't know, this is the camo I'd wear if I wanted to get shot. For me, not my deal, but it doesn't look so bad going down the lane. But this is going to be the ball you want to use when you want to keep your angles a little straighter. Grab that one like I was trying to hook it, except I was trying to play straight. Nice work. And the Ember is the one that you go when you start to flat 10 a little bit and you need something to get the 10 out. I think this is going to be more your jam here. It gets off it pretty good. The Cove and the Ember, both going to be out in August. So this is early information. You can get it here. We've seen them at Bowl Expo. You're going to start seeing some videos on them. But as usual, right here at the Beef and BArnzy channel, you get the real talk. Cove is going to be, if you want to keep your angles a little straighter. Ember is going to be one you can open it up and kind of go around them. Take advantage of that friction. Hey, come back here for more real talk reviews, and the next one's coming at you soon. Look for that gremlin, maybe something else. We'll see you next time. Smoother in general. More your jam here.